And a name can be bound to whatever you want. You imagine drawing, basically having this label on a cork board, think like a conspiracy theorist cork board. You have the tack and a label, and then you put a little string around it, and you tie that string to this other thing over here, and that's your value. Your value has a type. It is one thing. It's a Boolean, or it is an integer, or it is a string, or it is a list.
We've all seen the error. You cannot combine integer and string with plus operation. Like they know what they are, right?
Exactly. Those values know what they are, and that's something that throws people off coming from JavaScript, where everything's weakly typed. It'll just try to coerce them together. Python says, hey, these two values are different. I'm not going to try and figure this out. But that's because it's working with the values. The values have type, but the values don't have scope, and this is where people get thrown off. Because if you say, let's say, I'm going to use the example here, x equals spam. If you were to say z equals x, you're binding z to the same value as x. And then if you decide to change z, that works. X is unchanged, z is changed. You might think, oh, cool, okay, it just made a copy. Not exactly, because we have this whole thing about mutable and immutable types. Some things can't be changed. A Boolean, an integer, a string, a tuple,